What's up guys, it's the FixBroz and it's a few days later and the body filler is dry. So right now we're going to be shaping it to factory form.
For about half an hour, and I found a big low spot right here. As you can see, it's up to the metal right here and up to the metal right here, but we're gonna fill that in once we get another batch of body filler. But right now, let's keep on sanding.
Sanding the second layer of body filler, and we circled all the areas that have low spots so that we could add body filler. And right now we're going to mix up the body filler, put it on, and then in a few days we're going to come back and sand it down.
So it's a few days later now, and the third coat is dry. As you can see, we got a thin coat on here. After we're gonna sand this, if we find any more little imperfections, we're gonna fix them. So let's get started.
Body filler sanded, and there was one little tough area right here which we're gonna have to add more body filler to make this all straight. Before we can apply more body filler on the side, we have to straighten this out and apply body filler here. So we have to take off the trailer hitch and the tire, then we have to unscrew the bed and move it back so that we can have space to work with this. But first, let's get started by cleaning up all the body filler dust. Got the hitch out, and the hitch was bent, so all the bolts were stuck. Even the impact gun could barely take him out. The threads themselves got hot from unscrewing.
It basically all got cross-threaded. Here's what a normal one looks like, and here's what this one looks like. And it's still like hot. If I can't really keep my finger on it. But right now, let's take out this tire.
got the spare and the hitch off. Now we can unbolt the bed and move it back so that we can repair these dents. So we got all the dents straightened out, and I'm really excited to get the body filler on there. We're gonna have to sand this and then get the body filler on here.
Dries, and we're gonna come back here in a couple of days and we're gonna sand it, and hopefully if it's gonna be the last coat, we're gonna give it some primer. So we'll catch you guys in a couple of days. Alright guys, it's been a few days and the body filler over here and on this bed part, it's all dry. But right now we're gonna get right to sanding this up so that we can finish it up and get it ready for primer. So let's go ahead and start sanding this down. So we were sanding for a little while, probably about an hour, and I ended up putting another layer of body filler right here because I want to get it really perfect. So I'm actually going to finish doing this off camera because I want to really focus on getting it shaped really well. And it's almost there. I put another little thin coat over here to finish it off, while Tim right here, sanding right here. This area, I added a little bit of body filler right here. We're still going to have to sand this, finish sanding that, and then sand this, so we're almost there. So let's get it done, and then we'll catch you guys after it's done.
Alright guys, so we're done with the body filler. Everything looks to be good. Maybe we're gonna have to sand a little bit here and there, but for now it looks really, really good. We also did the back here. All of this is all straight, all smooth, as well as this side. So stay tuned for the next episode where we're gonna be priming all the body filled areas, and then we're gonna have to lift the bed out of here, and we're also gonna have to stud weld and body fill this. We might do this on camera, we might do this off camera, we don't really know yet. Go follow us on Patreon. Also, go buy our merch. It's really, really cool. We got some really cool designs there. Also, follow us on Instagram because we post there before YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to drop a like. If you're not a subscriber, press that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.